having trouble removing a strip stud, I'm gonna show you real quick how to take it off. Here's what you're gonna do. So you're gonna get 2 nuts, and you're gonna put one facing this way, and then you're gonna get another one facing the opposite way, like that. You're gonna tying them up against each other. One. And then with the wrench, tighten it. Once it's tight, you can go ahead and grab the other wrench. You can install it or remove it. So in this case, we're installing it. You can also remove it. And that's how you do it. So the last thing you do is remove the nuts. So what you're gonna do is get an open end wrench, then grab another wrench and remove the top nut. That's pretty much it. I know it's really annoying to remove studs and install them, so that's why I made this video. Hopefully this helped anybody out. If you like this type of content, follow me for more. I'll show you more tricks and hacks on how to repair your own vehicle and save some money. See you next video.